In this video, CarpalTunnelGadgets.com will teach you how to strengthen your wrists and forearms through resistance training by using these finger resistance bands. They are now very common and you can get them cheap from online shopping websites. A bit of warning, do not perform the following exercises if you are within 4 months after carpal tunnel or TFCC surgery. These are best suited for proper healing and further strengthening and toning of your muscles. Once you have it on your hand, sit down, relax, and let's get to it. Before we begin, please subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out any of our videos. First thing you need to do is to flip the holes that are inside the band outwards, meaning the holes should be outside of the circle band. This is because these resistance bands can be very tight and movement can be limited even for the lightest design. Now check the positioning of your fingers to which you will insert in the holes, where this big lone hole is for the thumb and the rest should just match perfectly fine with the rest of your fingers. To make sure you are going to use the correct finger for the right hole, put it on a surface or on your lap, can go either side. Find the biggest hole that is separated from the other four and then insert your thumb in here. From there, it will be clear where the other four fingers should land. Put them inside and then pull each hole deeper in such a way it fits tightly enough. Start first with the thumb, followed by the index, middle, ring, and small finger. For me, I'd like to put them past my fingernails. Once ready, let's do the first exercise. Position your fingers in a way they are straight or not bent, and all the tips meet like so. Also make sure your wrists are straight as well and not hyperextended. Now pull the rubber in this fashion in which the thumb goes down and the other four fingers move up. Return to this position and pull again. Again, remember not to bend your fingers. Do this for 10 times and then pausing for 5 seconds while the rubber is pulled at the 10th count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the next exercise, return your fingers again to this position. This time, pull only your index and middle finger going up, while your ring and small and thumb are just steady in place. Bring your index and middle down back to their place, and then pull them up again. Do this for 10 times and then pausing for 5 seconds at the 10th count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Third exercise, you will now need to remove the resistance band. Show your palm facing up and then put the holes for the middle and ring finger back in place. However, the band should be positioned upside down like so. Again, fit the holes further back. Now have your thumb on the opposite hand inserted here as to hold the resistance. While trying to have the rest of your fingers straight, bend down your middle and ring finger like so, as if it's trying to reach the center of your palm. And then bring it back to its neutral position and pull it down again. Repeat for 10 times and then pausing for 5 seconds at the 10th count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Final exercise is to target the sides of your extensor muscles. This is especially good for toning the forearms and also to strengthen the weak tissues caused by TFCC. If the pain becomes unbearable in this exercise, stop immediately. On the hole supposedly for the middle and ring finger, place your ring and small finger instead. Then adjust so they fit just right. Next, use the index finger on the other hand and insert inside the hole supposedly for the thumb. Then gently pull the rubber at the opposite side of the hand. Once it is stretched enough, bend your wrist just about 45 degrees like so, and then position it back. Repeat for 10 times and then pausing for 5 seconds at the 10th count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now repeat the same set of exercises from the very beginning on the other hand. You can do this for a maximum of 3 sets per day depending on your current strength. This ends the forearm and wrist exercise using the finger resistance band. Your body has the capacity to heal itself. Just remember to rest, have a balanced diet, and get some sunshine for that vitamin D. If you haven't done it yet, please hit like, subscribe, and click the bell button for more exercises and tips for a better carpal tunnel, better you.